Hey everybody, how are you today? I certainly hope that you're having a great day. I got my new wireless keyboard yesterday that I wanted to tell you about. Um, I think a month or so ago, unfortunately, I had spilled some orange juice on my beautiful laptop that was gifted to me for my birthday back in December. And some keys are not working anymore. So, I initially had ordered a keyboard that gets attached to the laptop, with wires, and I just found that to be such a pain in the butt. So I got this little wireless keyboard from Amazon, and it's doing a nifty job. It's really nice. It's a mini keyboard, and it's got a touchpad right here, and it's really, really nice. It just has a very tiny USB unit that you put into your laptop or whatever device you're using it with. You plug it in and you're ready to go. It's, no big deal. I didn't have to put any software in or anything. So this is from the company called RII. It's not a name brand, but I'm pretty impressed with it so far. I mean, it is a multimedia keyboard, so it has different types of keys for different things. Like, there's a home key here, there's an email key, search key, all kinds of interesting keys on here. So it's really new, really neat. It's got an FN key too, and it's not just for the laptop. This is for any kind of device that you need a keyboard for. I wanted to read something to you. Where did it go? Here we go. So it's a built-in touchpad with control of pointing feature. Scissor switch keyboard provides you with very comfortable and pleasing typing experience. Yes, I agree with that. Ultra slim and lightweight with high quality. Yes. HID compatible. Compatible with USB 2.0 or above. Compatible with computer, laptop, desktop, PC, notebook, Windows XP, Vista, CE, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, iOS, OS X, Linux, Smart TV, not all, and Android TV box. So this is pretty cool. RF mode, I'm not sure what that means, 2.4 gigahertz. Transmission distance up to 10 meters, and it's really good. It has a charging cord that came with it. I charged it up first. Didn't take long at all to do. So I just plugged it in. It's just a little tiny USB thing. You got to be careful because it's very tiny. You don't want to lose it. Just plug it into your device. You turn on the keyboard. It turns blue, and you're ready to go. So I have noticed that after a while it does turn off by itself. So you just got to keep an eye on that. So it's got a USB charging cable. And I really, really like it. It's doing a great job. So far, so good. I just used it right now to answer a bunch of emails. So I like it. So I highly recommend it. I think it was either $21.99 or $24.99. I will link it in the description. So, if you need a keyboard, I definitely recommend this one, or any kind of wireless keyboard is a great thing to have. And happy typing! All right, everybody. I certainly hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to me. I'd love to have you in my community. Everybody have a great evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.